Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In this video I will show you how to change the fuses on our Fiat Punto mk2. To change the fuses we have to reach first of all the fuse boxes, of course. The first one is inside the cabin on the left hand of the steering wheel. We have just to remove this cover, unscrewing these two plastic screws with a coin, for example, and here you can see the fuse box with the fuses. Every fuse has a number on it. The number is the amperage, of course. We have a clip here that helps us to extract the fuses. You can use the clip this way, okay? Put it on the fuse and pull. Simply, when you extract the fuse, you have to check if this line here inside is broken. Okay, if the line inside is okay, it is not burned. On the back side of the cover, you can see the positions of the fuses. So, for example, if the lighter doesn't work, you can go and check the fuse of the lighter. This here are relays. To change these relays you have to pull them like a fuse. So this was the first box. Put back the cover and screw in the screws. I'm using here a simple coin, as you can see. The second box is outside the cabin, under the hood, next to the battery. To remove the cover, just push here on these clips, there are 3 of them, and then pull back the cover. Under this cover we have the map of the fuses and the relays as well. And here we have the other fuses. We have the bigger ones too, and we have other relays. If you have to change a fuse, make sure to change it with the same amperage, of course. Here you can see another fuse and the line is perfect, so you can put it back. Every amperage has its own color as well. Put back the cover and push it in place until it clicks. Okay, that's it guys. As you can see, it is quite simple. If you liked it, you can subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it, of course. Hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and see you on my next video. Ciao!